Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel The Knowledge Park, and today we are going to discuss regarding the future tense and its forms. आज भविष्यकाल और उसके चार प्रकार उसके बारे में देखना है। पहले के वीडियोस में हम पास्ट टेंस के बारे में देखे और उसके चार प्रकार, उसके साथ साथ फ्यूचर प्रेजेंट टेंस के बारे में देखे और उसके चार प्रकार, किस ढंग से पास्ट टेंस में बात की जाती है, किस ढंग से प्रेजेंट टेंस में बात की जाती है और आज फ्यूचर टेंस के अंदर किस तरह से बात की जाती है। ऐसा कहा जाता है पास्ट इज द हिस्ट्री, फ्यूचर इज द मिस्ट्री एंड प्रेजेंट इज द गिफ्ट। सो नाउ जस्ट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक रिगार्डिंग द मिस्ट्री, मिस्टीरियस थिंग्स जो बहुत ही टॉप सीक्रेट होते हैं, फिर भी विथ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस मेनी पीपल यूज टू टॉक इन सिंपल फ्यूचर, फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस। सादा भूतकाल, सादा भविष्यकाल, उसके साथ साथ चालू भविष्यकाल, उसके साथ साथ पूर्ण भविष्यकाल और लास्ट वन चालू पूर्ण भविष्यकाल। ऐसे लैंग्वेज में टेंस यूज किए जाते हैं और उसके साथ साथ बात की जाती है। नाउ सिंपल फ्यूचर में क्या होता है, सादा भविष्यकाल में किस तरह से जब सिंगुलर नाउन एंड प्लूरल नाउन आने के बाद किस ढंग से बात की जाती है उसके बारे में देखना है। चाहे वो आई हो या वी हो या सी हो या इट हो या दैट हो, और चाहे वो दे हो या यू हो या वी हो, whatsoever it is, in simple future you have to take one common as well as one either singular or plural pronoun, and verb must be kept into the V1 form. Before that we have to take one of the modal auxiliaries, that is will. For example, how it is, she will come. This is the example of simple future. In the same way, I will come. Likewise, we will come. Similarly, it will come. Also, that will come. That will come. So such type of the examples are the examples of simple future. In simple future, what will be there? Will is going to express the meaning of future. Future भविष्य, भविष्य में होने वाले बात, भविष्य में होने वाले घटनाओं के बारे में बात करना। पास्ट में जो बीती हुई जिंदगी है उसके बारे में बात करना, प्रेजेंट में जो चल रहा है उसके बारे में बात करना, और फ्यूचर में जो होने वाला है उसके बारे में बात करना। अब होने वाला है, किसी को पता नहीं है कि वो कल क्या होने वाला है। What is tomorrow nobody knows, but even though it has been spoken, it is very fantastic. It all over in near about in all the languages. So she will come, वो आएगी, I will come, मैं आऊंगा, we will come, हम आएंगे, it will come, जैसे कि मैं प्रीवियस वीडियो में बताया हूं, it is used for neither it is masculine gender or it is feminine gender, though there is no place at all to the neuter gender in English, but even though it will come and that will come. So these are the examples of simple future along with they, you and we. Whatsoever it is, they, you, we. Already we has come over here. Now you see, either the noun is singular or plural. This is very important. In present tense, what was going on? If the noun was singular, verb had to be taken plural. If the noun was plural, verb had to be taken singular. But here in simple future, there is no such type of the changes are going to occur. Either noun is plural or singular, one helping verb will must be taken, and it is one of the modal auxiliaries, will must be taken, and after taking will, whatever the verb is there, that verb must be kept into V1 form. जो क्रियापद होता है वो V1 फॉर्म में रखना है। कई में सादे भविष्यकाल में, सादा भविष्यकाल जो होता है वो सादा भविष्यकाल कैसे होता है, देखो, सी विल कम, इट विल कम, वी विल कम, इट विल कम, that will come, they will come, you will come. So these are the examples of simple future. If you have to think regarding the future continuous, फ्यूचर भी रहना है और कंटिन्यूअस रहना है, भविष्य भी रहना है और वो भविष्य की एक्शन जो है प्रोग्रेस में रहनी है, अंडरस्टैंड, प्रोग्रेस में चलनी है, प्रोग्रेस में। तो उस वक्त क्या करना है, उस वक्त फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस में ये पूरे के पूरे जितने भी प्रोनाउंस है, ईदर दे आर सिंगुलर और प्लूरल, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, just I am going to give the examples of these plural or singular pronouns. For example, either it is I, we, you, they, he, she, it, that. So whatsoever the pronouns are there, before that what you have to do in future continuous, what you have to do in future continuous, we have to simply show that the sentence has written into future continuous. कैसे लिखना है, यानी कि वह future continuous शुरू है, तो कैसे, I, for example, we, you, they, he, she, it, that, कुछ कहना रहते नाउन, तो उसको क्या करना है, फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस में they, नाउ फ्यूचर है इसीलिए will लेना जरूरी है, they will। अब कंटिन्यूअस है, कंटिन्यूअस के लिए क्या करना है, be लेना है, they will be। अब come converts into coming, so they will be coming। This is the example of future continuous. In the same way, I will be coming, we will be coming, you will be coming, they will be coming, he will be coming, she will be coming, it will be coming, that will be coming। वो आएगी, वो आएगा, मैं एक दिन आऊंगा, that it is। In the same way, I will come, you will come. These are the examples of simple future, but future continuous, I will be coming, मैं आ रहा होगा, we will be coming, हम आ रहे होंगे, you will be coming, आप आ रहे होंगे, they will be coming, वो आ रहे होंगे, he will be coming, वो आ रहा होगा, she will be coming, वो आ रही होगी। So these are the examples of future continuous. In future continuous, we generally speak if there is no guarantee, but we used to speak. That has been called as a future continuous. Now beyond that, if we go ahead of that one, then there is a future perfect. In future perfect, what we have to do? Remember, in future perfect, the same thing is there. If the noun is singular or plural, there is no change at all. जैसे कि आज मैं बताया, I है, we है, you है, they है, he है, she है, it है, that है। उसके सामने क्या करना है परफेक्ट में? Either I, you, we, you, they, he, she, it, that. So I से ही लेंगे, देखो वहाँ, I will have been coming. I will have been coming. This is the example of I will have come. Sorry, I will have come. I will have come. This is the example of future perfect. I will have come is the example of future perfect. You see now, they will come or she will come. This is the example of simple future. They will be coming. This is the example of future continuous. And they will have come or he will have come or she will have come or it will have come. These are the examples of future perfect. And last one, it is future perfect continuous. So how it will be there? In that one the same. For example, I, we, you, they, he, she, it, that, whatsoever. Then to show that the sentence must be future, it must be perfect, it must be continuous. Then what you have to do? Same you have to write. How? This including all. How you have to write? For example, she will have been coming. She will have been coming. This is the example of future perfect continuous. You see, I will have been coming, you will have been coming, they will have been coming, we will have been coming, she will have been coming, it will have been coming, he will have been coming। वो आ रहा होगा, मैं आ रहा होगा, आप आ रहे होंगे, हम आ रहे होंगे। So what these are? These are the examples of future perfect continuous. Now, in summing up, what I would like to say that just I will give only 4 examples of all the 4 forms. Number 1, we have to take the pronoun as a he, that is a third person. You see please, he will come, simple future. he will be coming future continuous, he will have come future perfect, and he will have been coming, it is a future perfect continuous. So these are the four examples are there of each tense, of each what you can say types of the future tense, that is simple future one example, future continuous also one example, future perfect one, and future perfect continuous also I have given one example. And keep it in your mind what it is there, all the pronouns whatsoever are there in simple future सिर्फ इसी ढंग से बात की जाती है, कैसे I रहने दो, we रहने दो, she रहने दो, it रहने दो, that रहने दो, I will come, she will come, it will come, that will come, you will come, we will come. In the same way future में he will be coming, she will be coming, it will be coming, that will be coming. Future perfect में he will have come, she will have come, it will have come, that will have come. Future perfect continuous में she will have been coming, it will have been coming, that will have been coming, you will have been coming, and so many other things are there. So in this way that future tense में बात की जाती है, future tense फिक्स नहीं रहता, भविष्य के बारे में बहुत सारे सोचते हैं लेकिन वैसा कुछ नहीं रहता. फिर भी फ्यूचर में चार प्रकार बनाए गए हैं, उसके बारे में हम देखें. एक इंसान था, वो आने वाले 7वीं पीढ़ी के बारे में सोच रहा था, पहली पीढ़ी के बारे में पता नहीं था, तो ठीक उसी तरह फ्यूचर टेंस होता है. सो माय गाइस, इफ यू लाइक माय वीडियो, सो प्लीज डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब इट and do not forget to like it. I will bring one after another such type of the very interesting videos before you. So till then, have a nice day and goodbye.